What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video we are saving a 2001 Mustang Cobra. Let's get inside, check it out. Oh yeah, chances of firing today, 50%. Yeah, pretty much. Guys, before we get into what we've got going so far, let me just give you a brief history on this Cobra. All right, boys, so let me introduce you to probably the most unloved 01 Cobra in existence. And it's kind of sad because it actually is a Cobra. So the story on this car was the owner that had it, that we got it from, was essentially going to make it a race car. It had a fully built and braced 8.8 under the rear, which we went ahead and took out and just replaced with a GT rear end. So it already had a solid rear axle swap. And pretty much all the drivetrain was gutted. They were going to do like a Windsor or something. Came with a full UPR push rod, front suspension setup, coilovers, all that. And I guess they gave up, and spoiler alert, it was also wrapped Sonic Blue. The cool thing is they didn't really make it very far as gutting the car. Like the interior is pretty much all here. Hadn't done a cage or anything like that, but came with these nice Corbos, got the LMR steering wheel. Like I said, it's a true Cobra. So interior wise, we're in pretty good shape. Exterior wise, it's got some good stuff on it. You can see it's got the export tails, got the Terminator rear spoiler, and then up front it's got the Terminator bumper, and then I can't remember what brand this is, Keenan or something.
What starts with a K?
Yeah, Keenan. So it's got the Get Her Done cowl hood on it, brand new, hadn't been painted or anything like that. So, you know, all that's good stuff. Which brings us to the drivetrain. As you can see, we've got one. Now this is out of the was it the 03 Mach?
Mach 1, yeah.
Yeah. So let me go ahead and give you a little funny story.
Recycle.
Yes, that's what we do, is recycle. We're going green here on the channel. So funny story, let me go ahead and explain how this all came to be. So obviously, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know we Coyote swapped Dover's 03 Marauder. Well, in our mind, we had an engine all ready for the Cobra. Everything was going to drop in, everything was going to be great. No, it didn't really work out that way. So of course, in our mind, we're like, boom, we'll just throw the Marauder engine in there, you know, no problem. Engine's right here, it's ready to go, ran great, all that. Well, it didn't quite work out like that. Now, bear in mind, guys, we're not big new edge guys. Like, we like new edges and stuff, but we ain't fooled with a lot of these 4 valves and all that. So we were kind of learning as we went. So the main problem, So the main problem was the intake. So the Marauder, the throttle body's on the driver's side, and the Cobras and the Machs, it's on the passenger side. And, you know, thinking an old school 5.0 plenum theory, we could just spin it around and point it the other direction. Well, it didn't work like that on these. So we had a pretty big issue there. And then as we dug in even more, the engine harnesses were different. We're going to need an entire intake, not just the upper, but the lower as well. And so we pretty much scrapped that whole idea. So luckily, a buddy of ours not far from here had an engine out of an 03 Mach 1, and we also had a manual to go back in it. The pedals were still in the car, which were great. And we still had the drive shaft, and of course we had the GT rear end. So we're pretty much in good shape as far as the drivetrain goes. Yeah, duct tape works. It always works. It's not wrong if it works. So one thing we did not have was the engine harness. So shout out to my buddy Cody Cleveland. He actually had Coyote swapped his 01 Cobra and had the harness. And you have to have this specific harness because these freaking things are, the engine harness is 2 pieces, which doesn't really make a lot of sense, but we finally got that. So the goal is we're gonna have a fairly nice running, driving 01 Cobra. We got power?
I don't know.
We'll know in a minute.
There's some kind of light on in here.
Uh-oh. I got stuff clicking and clacking. Oh, pump's running. Hold on. Make sure we ain't squirting gas everywhere. Yeah, we're squirting gas. Ah!
Sounded like it's squirting.
Yeah. Either that or someone was pissing back there. All right, well, first fire, take 2 in just a second. Come on, baby. Yeah. Man, that was uneventful.
Yeah.
Fire right the hell up.
I wasn't even sure it was dark.
Yeah, I wouldn't either. 'Cause everything seemed like it was jiving when you turned the keys. And well, damn.
I mean, yeah, we still got no belt, no hoses.
Yeah, we got nothing really.
We got a lot to do.
Hey,
It does run, huh?
it does run. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all.
Yeah, we ain't got no clutch cable. We got duct tape everywhere.
But engine's good. Got
Yeah.
power everywhere. Think them back wheels will turn?
Find out, huh?
Yeah, we'll know in a minute. Hey! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Did you hear something?
What was that?
It didn't sound like exhaust either.
Oh, it shredded the friggin' belt. Ah.
Yep, thought I heard something.
See, I knew today was going too good. What the hell did it shred the belt for? Something got to be locked up.
Maybe, yeah.
Damn.
Caleb didn't put it on right.
It's not on.
Hold on, you put that
Oh,
on.
Yeah, I know.
No,
What?
thought it jumped off the power steering pump.
Yeah.
Ah, see.
Yeah, I know I put it on, but you're here to blame.
That's true, yeah. I'll take the blame.
That's why you keep 2 people around. You got
That's-
somebody to blame.
See, we were all excited because it fired right up, so we knew something was going to bound to go wrong.
It's all right. We don't need that.
Yeah.
We use 5 ribs.
Yeah. All right, thank the Lord we got a little bit of a break from the rain. At least we got plenty of time to get stuff done inside though, right?
Yeah.
Guys, real quick, as I alluded to before, we're kicking off another Coyote Swap New Edge, but I'm doing this one a little bit different. I'm essentially filming the build start to finish, and what I'm gonna have is a parts list for you, and we're also gonna try something different with the fuel system. I'm not really gonna get into it now because we're not sure it's gonna work, but we gotta try it. But if it does, we will definitely bring it to you, and it'll definitely be groundbreaking. So let me give you a real quick update on the car. Like I said, I'm doing an entire video that will be a start to finish Coyote swap on a New Edge GT. So just a quick update. Like I said, I'm not giving you too much, but yes, I'm filming a start to finish video. So definitely make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Gonna have that video coming for you very soon. We're doing a few things a little different than we did on the last New Edge swap we did. So if everything goes as planned, we'll have some good info for you. So make sure you're subscribed and keep an eye out for that video coming. All right, boys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Lots going on at the shop, and we will very soon have an update on the refrigerator here behind me, the plan for it. So guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It does not cost you a thing, and if you like anything cool Ford, we got it for you. We bust our friggin' ass to try and bring you guys all kinds of variety. You never know what's gonna pop up. So if you like this one, please give me a big thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one.